Welcome folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this pre-owned 2019 22C. It's a short coach. It gives you the ability to go any spot, anywhere in any camping ground. It got all the warranties on it. It's made by Winnebago. It's a 350 chassis. Nice coach, got a dinette that turns into a bed, and then you got a big bed on top. Some people don't like that, but at least you get storage, and there's a TV out there that comes out, you know, you can watch some TV. They did a great job for a short 22 footer. As in the sink, you got double sinks here, right here, lots of storage. Look at that, and it's deep stuff. You can put, you name it, pots, pans, all of that good stuff. They utilized every inch in here for storage. You got a stove top, so there's no oven in here, just the stove top. Over here you see the fridge. Look at that, freezer. Good stuff. This is a nice size for this coach. As we come in here, look at that. Corner shower up there, nice room. Look at that. They did a great job with this stuff. This is a slide. Now we're showing you the slide when the slide is in. This way you have access to the bathroom. You got a window in the back. Actually, you can see what's going on. There is a pantry here. Look at that. So you can put some, you know, what have you, dry food, dry goods. Big storage at the bottom also. So nice, you know, kind of floor plan for a short one. Let's go outside, show you more. So the Outlook is kind of the entry level in a way, not too much fluff, but it does have the, you know, LED lights, power awning, push button. It's pretty cool to have. As we go around the coach, you know, we got a tow package here, of course, and we got the backup camera. The neat thing about it got the ladder. That means you can go up there, check out what's going on with your roof, and make sure all is clean. As we go around this coach, this is the slide when the slide is in. That's the bedroom slide that gives you a walk around bed. Pretty good stuff. Right here we got some storage. Look at that. A lot of storage for a short RV. And then, of course, we got more stuff here. Of course, this one's gonna be logged, so move on, let's not break anything. Propane tanks right there. Big window, as you can see. There's a lot to talk about this. There's more information available. Please give me a call when you get a chance. 541-515-1237. Thank you.